Hello, I'm Kenneth, a software developer. Now we are continue our Openzeppeplin. Okay, so first we already set up a node project. Now we are going to do is developing a smart contract, deploy and interacting with a smart contract. Okay, let's start. Let's go back to our project folder. Okay, so let's open our IDE. You can use any IDE. Now I use the Visual Studio Code because he can use it in the Windows and the Mac. Okay, then open our project folder. Okay, so our project folder and open. Okay, so we need a new solid file. Is new and call it boxing SOL. Now we need to tell what solidity version we are going to use, and solidity 0.6.0. Okay, our contract name is boxing. Then we need okay, and we need a variable an integer and private, and call is value. A second, we need a event is value changed and an integer and new value, right? Then the function store is an integer and new value and public value equal to new value and emit trigger effect, so the program can detect someone call this function and also can get new value. And we need another function to retrieve the value, so this function also is public. Then we need view returns value is our integer and return value. Okay, we finish our smart contract. The second is we are going to deploy, so we need to go to second folder is migration and right click new file, call is to underline deploy.js. Then we need a copy from the here and press here. Then we change the name is boxing, is send here. Then tell deploy, I need to deploy this smart contract. Okay, and next we need to go to the configuration here. And first things we need to tell name which network we are going to deploy on. So copy this and then here is deployment for and network ID is start. It means it can be any network. Okay. Then go down. We need to tell which version we are going to use. Solidity 0. Okay. Okay. Everything is done. But where is the smart contract? Yeah, we are using Ganache. Okay, Ganache is a smart contract simulator. It can run on the local, so we use this as our smart contract. Okay, quickly open. Once it open, we need to check again. Go up here, then RPC server is 127.0.1. Yeah, the port number is 8545. Yes, and network ID 577. You can with a start. You also can change to here to make sure. Okay, so next step, we are open our command line. If you are using a Mac, please open your terminal. Okay, then go to our project folder. Then first thing, we need a compiler our smart contract. Compiler. Okay, during compiler, please see here. Yeah, come out a new folder is build, and under build have a folder called contracts. You can see all the information right here. Okay. And next, we need migrate. Travel migrate. The default network is development. You also can use it here. Take done. Yeah, port ID. Okay, there's no issues. You see total deployments to the cost, and open our Ganache. Okay, and see here, smart contract address will be here. So let's take a look. Yeah, 0x331C here. Okay. Now we already deploy a smart contract on the blockchain. Next step, how to interact with the smart contract. We close here. We use the console. The first things we need the accounts. So where Web3 point guess get accounts. Okay, then we'll print out and make sure here. Yeah, it's set. Right. Okay. Second is we need a contract, so we use await contract name vaccine deployed because already deployed. Yeah. Okay. So we are going to call the smart contract function. So we are store our function name, right? And this is integer. And next, we need a tool who call this function from account 0. Okay. Okay, so it's finished. We call the from first account, yeah, and then call this smart contract, and also trigger this event value change. Now next step, we need to see the result. So result await retriever function, right? Okay. Retriever, yeah. Okay, because I already call this again. Then see result 2. Okay, this is a big integer, so we need to change, convert to string. Yeah, it's a 100. Okay, so now we are go back to here. We are create a new smart contract is called access control. Okay, and then the new file is okay. Also, now we are going to create a new smart contract. Solidity and version. This contract is called also because we need to set a contract owner. So we need the address private, and then say the name is administrator, and constructor is a public who build this smart contract, who is the attributor. So and SG center. Make sure, yeah. Okay. A second, we need a function to check whether user is an attributor. Administrator. And you need to pass user's address, and the function is public, and view return result is boolean true or false. Okay, so return user administrator. Okay, the function is complete. So how to use it in a boxing? Yeah, first step, we need to import control. Okay, so we need a new variable. Is also private, and then it's also okay. So next, how to use? We are control. When I build this smart contract, you need a pass. Also smart contract address. And it's public. Okay, and equal to address. And when we use here, when users want to store value, we need to check whether user is a transmitter. So here we need a require call a function is administrator. Okay, if not, we need to return the message. Okay, done. And the contract will already change, so the migration also need a change. We need when we deploy a boxing, before this we need to deploy author. So in here, copy, then here put author, set. Okay, so in here we need a change, then S because we need waiting for first smart contract deploy successful and return the contract address, so we need a wait. Right. Okay. Deploy first smart contract, and then deploy second smart contract. But in here, we need to deploy with the first smart contract address. So here, yeah, this variable is here for this one. Okay, yeah, finish. So we open Ganache again. So also open our terminal, because we open Ganache again, so we need to reconnect again. So send travel. Here I will skip compile, because when I execute travel migration, which will already include the compiler smart contract. Okay, then here I will set reset. you need to put the reset so you can override this folder. Okay. Okay. Now compile and then deploy. Okay, total deployment 3 smart contract. First blockchain, second author, third is migration. Okay, then clean and travel console. Okay, then we need accounts. Web 3 ETH get accounts and make sure we have the account. Okay, and then we need a smart contract. Okay, so we store value. Little first account. Successful. Then we stop again, but we need a change. We use the second account. Your account error and told you is unauthorized. Okay, this because second account is not owner. Let's go back here. It's here. You will check whether you are the contract owner. If not, you will return error. If yes, you will pass and continue to execute here. Okay. So this is how to check whether you are contract owner. So in the later session, I will also use Openzeppeplin owner smart contract and tell you how to use. Okay, so let's go back to our slide. Take a look what we learned in this session. Okay, so first thing we learned is how to develop a smart contract. Second, we are learn how to deploy and interact with smart contract. Then we use a smart contract to call a lot of smart contracts and deploy smart contract with parameters. Remember, we deploy the blockchain with the first smart contract address. Last, we learn how to deploy multiple smart contracts. Most case, you will deploy multiple smart contracts. You will not just deploy one smart contract. So this is important. You need to know how to deploy the multiple smart contract and how to deploy smart contract with the parameters. Okay, so if you have any question, please leave a message to me. I will answer you as soon as possible. See you